Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will showing how to create Telegram account. Firstly, you need to open your Telegram app, then tap on Start Messaging. If you want to allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls, then tap on Allow, otherwise don't allow. Now you need to choose your country and enter your phone number. Then tap on Next. You need to allow Telegram to read the call logs so that you can automatically enter your code for you. Then tap on Continue. If you want to allow Telegram to access your phone call logs, then tap on Allow, otherwise tap on Don't Allow. If you want to allow Telegram to send you notification, then tap on Allow, otherwise tap on Don't Allow. And here you have successfully created your Telegram account. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of this channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.